Welcome to another video. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to download Car Mechanic Simulator 2018 on your PC. But before we continue, check the description for links to gaming mouse and keyboard options if you're interested. Now, let's get started. First, make sure that you have Steam installed. Steam is a well-known platform where you can find and download tons of games. If you haven't installed it yet, go to the official Steam website. In the top right, you'll see an Install Steam button. Click on it and follow the setup instructions. After installing Steam, open it. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Click on Create a Free Account, then enter your email and password. Once you're logged in, go to the search bar at the top right and type in Car Mechanic Simulator 2018. The game should appear in the results. Click on its name to open the store page. To purchase the game, click on the green Add to Cart button. After purchasing, head over to the Library tab. You'll see Car Mechanic Simulator 2018 in your list of games. Click on it to access the game's library page, and then press the Install button. A prompt will ask where you want to install the game. Choose the location, and then click Next. The download will begin automatically. Once the download finishes, a Play button will appear. Click it to launch Car Mechanic Simulator 2018. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye-bye.